Hi, ang next question natin ngayon galing kay John Christopher E. Terte. Question niya, paano niyo po napababalik uli mag-network yung mga downlines yung inactive na? Okay. Yung question mo kasi medyo mahirap kasi parang tinatanong mo rin sa akin, paano may papabalik yung ex mo na iniwan ka na? Okay, pero sasagutin ko siya based sa alam ko, tsaka na experience ko. Mapapabalik mo yung mga downlines mo inactive na. Okay? Just pag yung number one, establish yung relationship nyo continuously. And pag nagkaroon sila financial problem, pwede mong i-offer yung business and make sure lagi mo sila in-update. Okay? Just keep the connection. Wag naman yung everyday mong kinakausap, tinetext, diba? Yung from time to time siguro, once a month, ganyan, kinakamusta mo. Kasi darating ang time baka magkaroon siya financial problem And at least nandito yung business mo to solve that solution. Solve that problem, sorry. So, just keep updating yung, halimbawa, meron kayong mga trainings, may big events, may bagong products, may bagong update sa marketing plan. Kaya meron ko siyang kasabayan na dati hindi kumikita, kasabay niya lang. Ngayon kumikita na mas malaki, nakabili ng bahay, sasakyan. Yung mga ganong klaseng updates para makita niya, uy, sayang kung pala tumuloy ako, di ba? So, ayun yun. Pero hindi siya 100% guarantee. Tandaan mo, walang 100% guarantee sa business natin. All you can do is, of course, magsipag ka, do the numbers, present it, and then eventually, may mga sasali at meron iba hindi sasali. Babalik to sa unang training natin previously na dapat remember yung numbers game. Ibig sabihin ng numbers game is keep recruiting, di ba? Until na may sumali. Kasi hindi naman kasi lahat sasali, hindi lahat tutuloy. Pero at least you just keep on recruiting. Okay? Remember, ang networking is all about the numbers. That's why you just have to keep on recruiting and recruiting. Anyway, I hope maraming natutunan dun sa tip kong yun. Remember, sa business natin, in just 2 years time, pwede ka maging financially free. So this is Margo Malyari, Beyond Networking.